Closures. Closure is the ability of a function to interact with surrounding data within the same scope. Please use this closure feature wisely when we create application. In this simple example, we are exploring the concept of closures in the Go programming language. We declare two variables, L and B, representing length and breadth, respectively. Within this context, we create a closure, an anonymous function that takes no parameters but captures the values of L and B from the outer scope. Inside the closure, we execute a multiplication operation, multiplying the captured values of L and B. The result is then printed. The closure, in this case, encapsulates both the function and the environment in which it was created, allowing it to access and utilize the specific values of L and B at the time of its creation. Closures in Go provide a powerful way to create self-contained, encapsulated functions that can operate within a specific context or environment.